Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to unhook the camper to run the jack system and set it up so that you can extend the slides. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to start dropping the tailgate. Unhook your 7-pin connector, tuck it away for now. And then you're going to get your center blocks for underneath the jack. It's really recommended on ground that's not concrete or asphalt. I guess asphalt you probably want to, so the oil, usually the weight will make the oil seep out and sink. But recommended no matter what type, just use concrete blocks underneath the jacks. So we'll get those out. As well as our wheel chocks. Okay, so we've got our center blocks down underneath every jack. So there's 6 jacks on this rig. I mentioned earlier about recommending using center blocks. If you use a wider center block, that'd be better for soft dirt terrain. But for this, we're just going to use a block that's about the size of the jack foot. So now you have instructions on how to do this. I didn't have much luck, but I've learned how to do it from one of the dealers. So if you push up, it enters you into manual mode after you press the enter button. So now it says you're in manual mode. And so what we want to do is we want to extend the front. And this is for unhooking the trailer from the truck, and then we'll go through how to level it in a little bit. So you can see down here that the right side extends first, and now the left side is extending. So at this point we're about to touch, so now we've touched, and we're going to raise it just a little bit so that we take a little weight off the truck, and then we're going to unhook it. So on the hitch, you've got a flap for the safety of the hitch. So I always put my emergency brake cable through the latch hole. So we unhook it. Now we're unhooked from the hitch for emergency brake. We're gonna flip this lever up, our safety lever, so it's unhooked. And now for unhooking, you gotta make sure you pull this hitch out. So it's actually already started to disconnect from the truck by just releasing the hitch. So now we're gonna pull forward, and then we'll be disconnected from the truck. So now we've disconnected the truck from the trailer. Now we're going to level the whole camper. So you come back to your jack system. We're still in manual mode from disconnecting. What we'll do is I'll actually just turn it off just to reset everything. Turn it back on. It says not level. This rig's pretty simple. You hit auto level. Okay, now it says please wait. So it should start leveling all the jacks. Looks like it's going to level the front first, and then it'll start putting the jacks down in the back. And once it's all complete, it'll go through a whole cycle. It'll go through an analysis, it says, and then it says complete, and you're done leveling the camper.